Hi guys, I'm just popping in to have a look how our contractors are doing. They're refurbishing a 2-bedroom flat. So let me see what's happening here. Oh wow. So work in progress. Our kitchen is out now. So cool. We had a bit of a nasty surprise. Yesterday it turned out that the electricity in the building it's not up to current regulations. So to comply, they have to change they have to rewire completely. Contractor is a little bit upset because he did the work to the ceiling already, and so yeah, what we will need to do, we will need to make like a line, and yeah, they will need to rewire completely. So yeah, these things happen sometimes. So let's see how it is going here. That kitchen got really big now. That kitchen got really big. Cool. Then we've got, hello.
Sure.
Oh, that room got really big as well. Yeah. So a white color really makes a space bigger, and again, this is the next time that I can see it's actually proving that this is happening. White color definitely makes the place bigger. So that's cool. Let's see how is the bathroom. Oh wow. Okay. So they start working here as well. Again, another surprise we had here. When they take the ceiling, they started to do the work on the ceiling. The flat above, it turns out that it was leaking for years. So joists are all rotten. We spoke with the, I don't know if you can see. We spoke with the owner from top floor to resolve it. So this, yeah, it has to be done. So they stopped with the bathroom for time being. The upstairs one have to be resolved because before they continue with this one. But I'm really pleased because I done on the first video. I don't know. You will see when I've done the first video before the refurbishment started. This was actually a window. This was a window. So they've done a partition wall, and it looks really cool. So it will be really easy now to attach the shower screen. So that's good. I'm pleased. A floor is actually really nice. When they took the carpet out, I love wooden floor. In my house, when I took the flooring, I just fell in love, and I left the wooden floor. But yeah, this room will be lovely as well. Nice and bright when it's finished, of course. They're working on the decking. Oh, nice. Okay. So it's looking good. We probably are not going to finish within 4 weeks as we thought because of those 2 nasty surprises, but it will probably take about 1 week longer, so because of that. But it's already looking good, so I can see the light. So keep on watching and I will update you soon.